I am Martin Kanters. I am the VP of Services at Enerix. Enerix is ready to provide long-term operational support. We believe it is important to help our customers succeed in their businesses, also after the project is delivered. We offer services both on the maintenance side as well as on operations. As maintenance services, we help with repairs and planned maintenance. On the operations side, we provide consumables like coils and impeders, but we're also there to help optimize the production and provide help desk support. And our coil team can provide high quality design, testing and production, and even 3D printing of coils. Do you need induction only for a project or for a short period? You can rent our induction equipment with or without operator, depending on what you need. Our customer success is at the heart of everything we do. We want to make sure that our customers get the most out of their Enerix equipment.